Hello, friends. Welcome to Chronicles of Hope. Today, we're going to share Sophia's story. She's a young girl who faces many challenges, but she never gives up. Sophia lost her parents in a car accident when she was 10 years old. She had to live with her uncle, who was very strict and didn't care about her feelings. Sophia felt alone and sad, but she didn't lose hope. She started working hard in school despite facing many difficulties. She had to walk a long distance to school, and her uncle didn't provide her with enough money for books and stationery. Sophia's teachers noticed her struggles and decided to help her. They provided her with books and stationery and encouraged her to study hard. But Sophia's uncle wasn't happy with her focus on studies. He wanted her to help with household chores instead. Sophia had to find a way to balance her studies and household chores. She woke up early in the morning to study and did her chores later in the day. As Sophia grew older, she faced more challenges. She had to deal with bullies at school, and her uncle's behavior didn't change. One day, Sophia's uncle told her that she had to drop out of school and get a job to support the family. Sophia was devastated, but she didn't give up. She decided to talk to her school principal and ask for help. The principal was moved by Sophia's determination and offered her a scholarship to continue her studies. Sophia was overjoyed and continued to study hard. She faced many more challenges, including poverty, lack of resources, and self-doubt. But Sophia persevered and worked hard. She started to believe in herself and her abilities. After completing her schooling, Sophia applied to college and got accepted into a prestigious university. She was the first person in her family to go to college, and she felt proud of herself. But Sophia's journey didn't end there. She faced new challenges in college, including academic pressure, financial struggles, and personal relationships. Despite these challenges, Sophia continued to thrive. She worked hard, sought help when needed, and stayed focused on her goals. Sophia's hard work paid off when she graduated from college with honors. She landed a good job and started building a better life for herself. Sophia's journey wasn't easy, but she proved to herself that she was capable of overcoming any challenge. Moral: Sophia's story teaches us that with determination and hard work, we can overcome any obstacle. We should never give up on our dreams, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. Friends, what's your story? Share with us in the comments. Like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs motivation. Subscribe to Chronicles of Hope for more inspiring stories. Thanks for watching. Remember, you are strong, you are capable, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to.